Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
12 months, 12 different avatars of the sensuous, bold and beautiful Sherlyn Chopra. कहीं ये लग रही है एक uptown girl, कहीं drop dead gorgeous, तो कहीं very hard to resist. We give you an exclusive deco to 12 different avatars of Sherlyn. And we also tell you how you can catch Sherlyn on your mobile and on your notebooks. Check this one out.
ये है बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट कैलेंडर गर्ल. Meet the sexy Sherlyn Chopra, who's getting bold and better with her sexy moves. Sherlyn Chopra is riding high on her S factor. By S factor we mean her sex appeal factor. हाल ही में sexy Sherlyn Chopra ने किया कैलेंडर के लिए एक sexy photoshoot, and for every month she has got into a different look. जहां अपनी अदाओं का बिखेरा है इस gorgeous diva ने जलवा.
Shooting for mobile downloads and internet downloads for TIL, a major content provider.
Look 1. Sherlyn के इस लुक में ये बन गई है एक अपटाउन गर्ल, where she's surrounded by some gorgeous men. और एक अपटाउन गर्ल की ही तरह ये बल खा रही हैं और इतरा भी रही हैं. And with a sexy move, she has left us all numb.
This is, well, my costume designer calls it the Paris Hilton look. This is how, I guess, the high-profile socialites dress up.
Look 2. इस लुक में एटमॉस्फेयर को और भी सेक्स अप करने के लिए शर्लिन दिखा रही हैं oodles of oomph. Sherlyn's this look can make men go weaker on their knees. Needless to say, her oomph factor is making this look so hot. And if you too want Sherlyn on your cell, it's just a click away. Look 3. With the next look, Sherlyn has flaunted her rugged look. Her hair this time short, and to go with the look she's worn a short dress. इस look का USP है Sherlyn के killer moves and expressions. Well, we say too hot to handle, but not to forget, even you can get Sherlyn's exclusive downloads on India Times. Look 4. Well, no one's got a perfect bikini more than Sherlyn Chopra. This time her hair left open, the sexy bikini, and the bling in her wardrobe is a sexy orange jacket. Too hard to resist, we say. And if you find it difficult to resist too, तो आप जल्द से SMS कीजिए Sherlyn to 58888. Look 5. इस लुक में फ्लैम्बॉयंट शर्लिन चोपड़ा अपने सेक्सी मूव्स दिखा रही हैं एक बाइक पर लेटकर. ब्लू सेक्सी बिकिनी टॉप और उस पर रेड एंड ब्लैक चेकेट पैंट्स, और उनका ये ब्लैक जैकेट है बहुत ही सेक्सी.
I'm an iTimes girl. Catch my blog exclusively on itimes.com.
Look 6. And this time she's covered it all with a frills jacket and sexy bag. Her hair tied little up and some left loose. But what's the main highlight of this look? We say Sherlyn's sensuous poses. Call for action from Sherlyn's side. Log on to itimes.com. Look 7. Well, this time Sherilyn is all set to spread greenery everywhere. How we say by her dress. Good initiative, Sherilyn. पीटा को तो वो एंडोर्स करती ही हैं। अब Sherilyn एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली भी हो गई हैं। वैसे Sherilyn के इन अवतारों को आप एक्सक्लूसिवली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।
I'm on indiatimes.com. Catch me on indiatimes.com.
Look 8. वहीं Sherilyn का ये लुक लग रहा है इंस्पायर्ड किसी हॉलीवुड डीवा से। रॉकेट पर चढ़ी Sherilyn का ये गॉथिक लुक भी लग रहा है काफी अपीलिंग।
I'm an iTimes girl. Catch my blog exclusively on itimes.com.
Look 9. In this look, we see Sherilyn's wild side, and she sure knows how to present this side of hers. Here she is wearing a leopard print short dress, and the bling in her wardrobe is a sexy silver bikini top. For merchandise and apparels from Sherilyn's wardrobes, mugs, calendars, posters and more, log on to shopping.indiatimes.com/Sherilyn. Look 10. Well, this look where she's looking like a hot chick in a skin-colored tube dress. Join Sherilyn's Platinum Club and get her exclusive personal merchandise. Log on to shopping.indiatimes.com/Sherilyn. Look 11. On the bed this time, with a shirt that's revealing her assets. Sherilyn is calling for love and no one can really say no to her. तो लीजिए अब आप सेक्सी Sherilyn चोपड़ा के इन अवतारों को डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं।
You can download all these pictures and videos only on 58888.
Look 12. The draped, shimmering white cloth, the golden thong and golden tube top. With accessories so perfectly matched and those high heels, this is one of the hottest avatars of the sexy Sherilyn Chopra. For a Platinum Club membership, Bikini 2009, wallpaper, calendar, uncensored photo shoot videos, online chats, chance to accompany her for photo shoots in Dubai, Rajasthan and more, log on to shopping.indiatimes.com/Sherilyn. So for 12 months, you have 12 different avatars of Sherilyn. Choice is all yours. Bureau Report, Zoom Mobile.